Here we have come near the mohol tree. There is a question in your mind that what to do here. The answer is to catch mohol here. This tree mohol catch and but a lot of here. After that I will show and a tree. Here you will be seeing a mohol tree. Here we have come for the catch at 6 am. Here it is done one by one. I will show you what a mohol looks like. Some people do not know what a mohol is. This is mohol. Dry it in the sun and sell it. Whatever money we get, we run our family. We pick up in one of our boxes. If it is full, after filling the bag, we take it home. It dry up after 2 to 3 days. How do you catch a mohol? The time is 10 o'clock. After the work is over, we will go to our house.